Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing a new phone mount on my E9x. The one that I currently have on is just a normal generic one that just mounts to your vents. So the phone mounts that we're going to be installing today is designed for the E9x platform. It comes with the Allen key, the phone mount, and the metal plates that you need to attach to the phone to be able to put on the phone mount itself. The phone mount will be sitting in the middle of the dash, somewhat like this. After it's installed, and it's going to be right in the center. You're going to have access to all your buttons, and the vent's not going to be covered out or everything. So yeah, let's get to installing it. So installing the phone mount is actually not that difficult. It's pretty easy. As you can see, on each four sides there's a screw in there, and you're going to be using the Allen key to push those screws out all the way to the edge, so that way when you do place the phone mount in the center right here, you can just use the Allen keys again to secure them with the screw, so that way they won't be able to come out, and when you're just taking your phone off or anything, it won't detach from the center section over there. So I'm just going to get it installed and show you guys how to do it. So as you guys can see, the phone mount is completely on. I made sure that it was secure with all the screws on all sides, and now it's completely on there and it's not coming out or anything. But yeah, it's in a pretty good spot right in the middle. You have access to it easily, and you don't lose access to any of your buttons, your vents, or anything else that you're using previously. A big issue I had with the previous mount that I had on my phone, it was that it was always moving up and down in this section right here, and it was pretty annoying. If you guys are interested in the phone mount right here, I'll leave the link down below to our website if you guys do want to check it out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.